Meraki Limited.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you or illustrate quickly how we do instant locks. This is using your natural loose hair and turning it instantly into locked hair. Of course, we always ensure that the strands are strong and healthy. So the first thing we do is we ensure that the hair is treated. We ensure that we have added moisture back to the hair. We also do a proper assessment of the hair and the scalp. Let the customer know, okay, what is the recommended sizing, what products to use, how to care the hair, and also update them on maintenance in terms of how to maintain their hair. So this is how we're gonna start it. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit on that notification bell. Go ahead also and follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you want to book your instant lock appointment with us, visit us at www.merakilimited.com. So here is my client's hair. Her hair is on the softer texture. She's in the range of 4A and 4B. This is just illustrating our partings. Ensure that the partings are exactly what you like. Here are our tools, and we're gonna begin. So we section out the hair. We back comb some of the hair in certain areas, especially where the hair is really softer, and then we use the interlock locking tool and we move back and forth in a motion, rolling the strands or rolling the balls of hair together and forming that instant lock. So after completing each lock, I palm roll it to ensure that the flyaways are molded in, and if I do need to, I go back in with the instant lock tool and finish it up a little bit. So this is basically getting your hair locked instantly, erasing all the fuss and the trouble and the untidy look and the really crazy look of forming locks the natural way. This is an in thing now. It is very convenient. It is a long process, so it can run between 5 to maybe even 8 hours depending on the amount of locks that you want to have installed, but the results are wonderful. And just like that, our first row is almost done. This is us here at the, well, me at the top, completing the instant lock tool. And as you can see, I am actually stretching the hair out while I use the instant lock tool. What that does is helps to give you length. I'm sure you're thinking, how much does this cost? I'm just going to have you do one simple thing. Go on to our website, www.merakilimited.com, and take a look at our pricing grid. I will inform you that our pricing is based on two things: the length of your loose hair and the size of your partings. So that size and style of your parting. So that will help determine what your costing will be. Of course, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to explain and answer all the questions. And this is what the final look looks like. It's instant locks, like literally locked in one day. Come in with loose hair, leave with well done installed locks. Nothing beats that. This is our final look here. Customer was styled, of course, and is happy with her installation. In terms of maintenance, we ask customers to come within a 3 to 4 week interval to get their hair properly cleansed and maintained, meaning we're gonna go through each lock and ensure that the loose hair, if there are any, is not too much, and use our tool again and confirm the lock to its proper formation. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Don't forget to share.